Module 2, Lab 4, Task 5, mirroring a target website using Httptrack website copier. All right, I'm logged into my Windows 11 machine, and we're going to hit the search field and search for WinHttptrack website copier. We'll go and click on the best match from the search results to open the tool. All right, from the initial page, we're going to click Next to start a new project, and we'll call the project Test Project. We're going to set a base path to store the files. We'll leave that at the default for my websites and click Next. All right, the URL to copy is entered into the web addresses URL window, www.certifiedhacker.com, and we're going to click on Set Options. All right, we're going to check on the Scan Rules tab all the checkboxes for the various file types and click OK. We'll click Next. Leave the radio button for Please Adjust Connection Parameters. And we're going to check Disconnect when finished and click Finish. And this will start mirroring our website. The site mirroring progress will be displayed, as you can see on my desktop. Once the mirroring is completed, WinHttptrack will display the message Mirroring Operation Complete. And we're going to click on Browse Mirrored Website. All right, this may take a few minutes to complete. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until the mirroring has completed, and we'll resume once we have a downloaded copy of the website. All right, our website mirroring has completed. We're going to go ahead and click Finish. Browse Mirrored Website, which takes us right to the copied folder. And we will potentially be prompted with a how do I want to open this file, and open it straight in the browser, default browser. The mirrored website can also be accessed just by accessing the folder structure, which is by default my websites. And there it is right there. All right, from this point, we can analyze all directories, HTML, images, Flash, videos, and other files available on the mirrored website. You can also check for possible exploits and vulnerabilities. The site will still work like a live hosted website. If the web page doesn't open, navigate to the directory where you stored it. I just showed you where that is. And once you're done with your analysis, you can close your browser window and click Finish in the Httptrack window to complete the process. All right, some websites are pretty big, might take some time to mirror the complete site. The attackers can further use the vulnerabilities identified through the website copier to launch various application attacks on the target organization's website. All right, this concludes our demonstration of mirroring a website using the Httptrack